It's DJ Minter here, and today, guys, this is my first. Alright, this is the house that I'm building to match up with my outfit, guys. My new Savage outfit, guys. If you haven't seen it, I will show you at the end of the video. Alright, guys, so I've started the structure. Yeah, basically that's alright. So the windows will be done 2 by 2, guys. Basically, it's more easier to do it 2 by 2, and yes, guys. Basically, the black signifies dark savages. Anyway, I press all of these windows and then twos. Depends on how much I built. But guys, for the house, I will not. Well, I'll be using glass piece. So basically, it signifies it. As you can hear, guys, in the background, there's a little child crying. Guys, I'm sorry, people and their children these days, guys. My ears are hurting me. But anyways, guys, I am building. If you want to cry unless you can't get it, so you have to do it. I came outside to just change up scenery, guys, as you can see. Yeah, to just change up series outside series, and yeah, basically for that reason. Alright, and for the back, well, basically, I will have an exit out the back. The back exit. Yeah, I will, guys. Don't forget. Yeah, I'm gonna have. I don't know what I'm gonna add out here, but I know that's the front and this is the back. Alright, so yeah, so two. Anyways, uh, I will, guys. I think in my next episode I will try to like build a McDonald's. I I will try my best to build. If I kind of have to try then on my best, and then I'll try build the McDonald's. Although I have never been to one, and I've never, well, basically seen a McDonald's in real life, but I know about it. I basically know what they sell, but in this episode, I don't think I will. I really, guys, leave a comment down below and try to tell me where I can get furniture mod that works in Minecraft Pocket Edition, guys. Serious, guys. We have to build our furniture. That's just that, that's just rude, guys. That's just rude of Minecraft. Anyways, the windows are easily to be put in. But anyways, I'm gonna do the entrance for here so first, and then that there, and then boom, nope, then no, then bump, then bump, then blum, then bum, then bam, 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 bam. As I said, guys, I'll be doing a lot of this building. Well, basically, I'll be doing a lot of building, guys. Don't you worry. Because Minecraft is basically made for survival. Try this challenge. Basically it's made for building and try so we can survive it. Yeah, basically. Also, guys, other games. I'm not really sure about other games I would want to do. I don't think I would ever. I have never think of doing other games because I'm not really too fan of other games. But Modern Combat, guys, you know me. I will try my best, guys. But anyways, guys, I really need you guys support on this video. Guys, you can't just leave me hanging without any likes, guys. Seriously. Seriously. Serious. Huh? What happened? Guys, so basically I'm still doing that 2 by 2. So that's 2. Oh, I'm not really doing that glass figure because it's 2 by 2. 2 by 2, guys. I am really doing it 2 by 2. So, 2 by. So I'm just gonna do it that, guys. It's gonna be like that, guys. And then 2 by 2 inside the room, guys. 2 by. This is gonna be a long video. That's what I want to say. I'm gonna make a part 1 for this building of the house. Then part 2 for the building for this building of the house again. Again, guys, I can't really video this too long. My friend, well, one of my friends are waiting on me, waiting to see the video coming out. I don't really, I really don't really mind. I really like people who are waiting to see this video. But anyways, guys, you know me. I will make you guys see the video. And that's the promise I will keep. There's a lot of things I gotta do here. Gotta build up the flooring. Gotta do this. Gotta do that. My work is never done. Serious, my work is really never done. My work is never done now. And then again. Guys, as I said, you can do what you want. Well, basically, don't do the 1 by 1. That's just creepy. Straight up creepy. You can do it 4 by 4, 2 by 2. Anything, guys. Anything that suits you. Basically, if it suits you, you do it. or if you want to copy, I don't really mind. I'm a kind person, guys. Once you get to know me, I'm a kind person. You do whatever you feel like to your house in Minecraft. Some people might watch and get like well might try to get ideas, but as I said, guys, this if you guys haven't seen, that's my first house that I built, but it didn't match my skin. My skin was like red and black. I think are red and gray. It's really match. It's on the outfit, but don't match with the house colors. But anyways, so it's not. It's going to be night again, guys. But I just want to pop in some colors, yes, to make it look wonderful, guys. All right. The flooring has to wait as I deal with this. Alright, so oh my gosh, guys, that's just two. And then oh gosh, guys, I have to do this one short. Seriously, and there's two. Whoa, same thing here that I have to do, guys. Seriously, okay. The game has free. What the? This is a fur. Oh, um, let's cancel that. Sorry about that, guys. Battery. Eh. Alright, so back to the building. I woke up in my new Bugatti. Oh, chicken, chicken. Hey, guys, if you do this like that. Oh gosh, guys. I was about to say if you did not slap that like button, that chicken would die. But anyways, guys, I killed the chicken. I'm so sorry. Did it me, but that chicken would be delicious. Oh my gosh, and I break this. But guys, please leave a like. I'm gonna cry. But anyways, guys, oh guys, if it goes back, I on this chicken will die. Basically, that chicken will die. Basically, it's gonna die in this video, guys. And the chicken is dead. Yep. I can't really eat the chicken because I am not in survival. I am not hungry. So that's what that chicken. Alright. Anyways, as I said, guys, we're just continuing with the house building. As I said, alright, so that's done. Then the two here, then two. Oops, I'm going. Alright, two. Guys, two. Guys, you always have to count if you know what you're doing, guys. If you don't know what you're doing, guys, don't bother with it. I was just joking, guys. You guys are smart. You're smart people, guys. You always know what you're doing. If not, well, I don't really know. I don't think I have a saying in that. What you guys so really has. You guys really got to know what you guys are doing in this. I don't care if the door is unequal. The door is unequal. Oh, I did not do the door for this one. The door is gonna be unequal. It doesn't really matter, guys. As long as you is building it. Alright, good. Just I got the same thing I do over there as to do back over here. I'm not really going to add any glass to that. Just onto the sides. I'm not really needs it. Us. So I say guys 2 by 2 is the match. Match it perfectly. Alright. That's done. No, 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 no. Guys, if you see if you see lag in this video, yes, that means it's getting laggy out here. It's getting laggy out. Monk. Anyways, also guys, I won't forget to say this. Subscribe to the Mango Simmer, guys. I will and I will never forget her. And I will never forget that, guys. You must like and subscribe to her channel, guys. Although she has more subscribers than me, she has 172 and I just have only like 2 subscribers. Guys, is that funny? Batches, do not die on me while I'm making this video. But guys, you know I can't make videos that long. I don't want this phone to die on me, guys. Please, guys, pray for this phone. Alright. Hashtag before batches wounded. That's true, guys. That's very true. Oh, basically, the door could be equal if that was just right there. Whoops. Alright, guys. I really do not think it's true. Alright, so it's I think I want to this alone basically. I don't want to put because it has the CST and that's it as for I just gotta do this, guys, and do this. So each of them is symmetrical. Alright. Then 1, 2, 1, 2. Then the 2. Oops, then 2. They're supposed to be there, but I don't care. I'm putting it there right everywhere, ever. Hoopala, 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 hoopala. Hoopala, hoopala, hoopala. Basically, nothing is needed to be done than adding the doors and steps into. Kevin? Oh, go on, Kevin. Yeah, man, I make a YouTube video right now, you know. Eh? Aye. Oh, Paul up on the road, yeah? Aye. Sorry, that was my cousin, Paul, Kevin. No, wait, buddy. Well, anyways, guys, let's continue with the house building. Hoopala, 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 hoopala. Guys, if you are big fan of this Pickable Me, guys, smash the like button. I can't. Basically, guys, I really can't get the video I wish I could, guys. Like video me react. Oh, guys, I will video me of me reacting to my my first Minecraft video, guys. Don't you worry, guys. If you want to see how I react, gosh, the door. Gotta remove. I, man, I seriously, guys, I have to do a part two to this because there's a lot I have to do to this house. Like, seriously, guys, I have to do a lot to this house. Oopala, 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 oopala. I wish it was yellow, but I gotta do it as a. You got what I'm saying. Oh no, basically. Oopala, 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 oopala. Oop, what the? Ah. Yes, guys. Ooh, I think I'm did something wrong here. It's supposed to be stuck right there. Then the block, then the block, then the block. Oh wait, I think I did this one right. And that, and that, and that. Basically, wow, that's a first.
Remember Monday, no?
Hey, anyhow, let's do this and then that, then this, then. Alright. Basically, it's the same thing I have to do. What that say? Thanks for going down. Add the same thing over here. Basically, alright. You give me the formula for me. Alright. Guys, seriously, I really have to do part 2 to this because my phone is about to die, guys. I really don't like how my phone is dying quick. And usually I really finish, well, basically not really finish. I think I will be having parts to this, guys. It depends. But anyways, guys, I have to. You can do any design you want to do too. But I am going to just make the line. Oh gosh, I gotta do different parts to this. But don't you worry, guys. I am not leaving my subscribers and my likers and my viewers anywhere. Maybe I will do a vlog. I don't know when, but guys, I will do a vlog. But I will not post it up on YouTube. Yes, I will post it up. I think I will try my best to do a vlog, guys. Yes, 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 yes. I wish this was the finishing house. I don't know why I have to do was that log. Guys, as you can see, the house is like very long, like a rectangle long, guys. Get a view of that. Take a screenshot of that, guys. Take a screenshot of it if you want to, guys. But this house is not gonna finish itself, so wait. Oh, anyways, this house is not gonna finish itself, so I just gotta finish up the house. As I said, guys, the house will not finish up itself. I have to finish. Oh gosh, as you guys can see, guys, 10. I just gotta finish up this guy. I want the champion time for reach 5. But guys, I will finish the up and then I have a feeling to just make it stay as one house. Basically. I do you guys think I could just like build a big chest? Guys, I think I can build a chest. Or basically the chest same blocks as this. But you have to do it in the same line. It's called quickness. And my video is just using 28. But guys, don't stop viewing. Don't stop sending in likes. And guys, do not be afraid to put likes. If you don't want to put, that's fine with me. If you're not enjoying the video, that's fine with me. But at least leave a comment to see what I am doing wrong, guys. Come on. At least leave a comment to see what I am doing wrong. And if it's a bad comment you're gonna leave, do not leave it on my channel. But basically, I'm gonna finish this part of the house. Well, only for the yellow ones. Oh, I'm done. Oh gosh. Alright, so guys, as you can see, I have done all these parts, but I'm just gonna continue doing this part before my phone dies. Then part 2 will be like putting in the black, or continue with the yellow and black, guys. Um, guys, if you really want to see me make a Jamaican flag, it's not really that hard, but for some people, it's kind of hard to make a Jamaica flag. Basically, I'm done there. I think I'm just gonna put in the black to finish it. you guys can see like am I building a bumblebee? Am I building a bumblebee? Oh guys, you guys are such funny. I'm building a bumblebee. Bumblebee. Eh, eh, um, bee, and the rain is falling. Guys, after I finish this, if I have enough. Oh no, it's a 5! Oh my gosh, guys. I gotta edit this video, guys, and then upload it on YouTube, guys. But, gosh. Anyways, guys, I gotta say goodbye. My phone is about to die, guys, but I don't want it to die. That's why I want